In this quick GetResponse explainer, I'll show you how to track email opens and clicks with GetResponse, helping you measure your email marketing campaigns more effectively. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use GetResponse for email tracking, but also discover some amazing alternatives that might be better suited for your goals. First, let's dive right into tracking email opens. After sending your campaign in GetResponse, the platform automatically tracks opens. When someone opens your email, GetResponse logs this action. You don't need to manually enable this feature, it's built in. But if you want more detailed tracking, such as tracking clicks or other specific data points, you'll need to use a few additional tools and settings. Next, let's talk about email clicks. To track clicks in GetResponse, you need to make sure that you've added clickable links to your email. Once a recipient clicks on any link within the email, GetResponse tracks that action and logs it as a click-through. You can also monitor click-through rates in the email campaign reports. This data helps you understand which content is resonating with your audience, so you can optimize future emails. Now, a quick tip to get the most out of your tracking. You can segment your audience based on open and click behavior. This allows you to follow up with people who didn't open your email or clicked but didn't convert. It's a great way to increase engagement and improve your campaigns. Just head to your reports and use the segmentation options to filter your contacts. The fourth thing, let's talk about tracking detailed user actions. Beyond just opens and clicks, GetResponse offers the ability to track how recipients interact with your landing pages. By setting up tracking on your landing pages, you can see if users complete a form or make a purchase. This gives you a full picture of your campaign's effectiveness, from email open all the way to final conversion. As we wrap up, I want to mention a tool that could be a better fit for some of you. While GetResponse is a solid option for email marketing, its analytics can feel a bit limiting compared to other platforms. That's why I recommend checking out a competitor that offers more in-depth reporting and B testing options for optimizing your email campaigns. This tool also gives you a more user-friendly interface, and it's specifically designed for tracking email opens, clicks, and conversions more precisely. I'll drop a link in the description where you can get an exclusive free trial with extra benefits, available only to our viewers. So, while GetResponse can help you track the basics like email opens and clicks, it may not have all the advanced features you need to fully optimize your email campaigns. Make sure to click that link and try the alternative I've recommended. It's a great option for those who need deeper insights into their email marketing efforts.